She was still running out.
Wait, I can't get up. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Hey, this nigga's fucking tire fucking popped. Hey, this nigga, what the fuck? This nigga's tire popped. Hey, what the? This nigga going on walking now. This nigga's going on walking. Where we going? Where we going? That shit, all the seats too back, bro.
Know your brother. Hey.
This shit fucking
You look dirty, motherfucker.
Hey, I'm telling you, pull all the way down, dog.
Open them up, catch up.